What is up, you guys? So currently I have my stock front pipe. I'm about to let you guys hear what it sounds like. It's a warm start because I've just driven the car. I got my 1320 pipe in the back in the trunk. It fit actually, which is surprising. I'm going to be throwing it on right now and then doing a after video for you guys. But yeah, so I'm about to let you guys hear what the stock front pipe sounds like with my CNT on equal length header, my stage 2 tune, 93 pump gas, and my Burke muffler delete. Underneath the car, you got 2 bolts right here on the front pipe. You just have to remove with the springs, and then 2 right underneath there that it's gonna be pretty hard to get under, but we're gonna make it work. Take it off and put in my new pipe. So let's go. After about 15 minutes, not even, thank God everything was easy. I got the old front pipe off, this ugly thing. What you want to do is buy a new gasket for it, but I'm gonna reuse mine because my car's pretty new. It's not beat up, it looks fine, so I'm gonna reuse mine. Now I'm about to install this thing and let it rip. So I just installed the front pipe, 1320 performance. About to start it up. It's going to be a cold start, so you guys will hear it for the first time, as will I. So when you want it to be, and it's nice and quiet when you're cruising. Best 150 I've ever spent. Holy shit. Get it. That would have been a flame. That loud ass one. Getting fed right now some 93. Just made some 2 custom tunes for actual back firing, so let it run. So throwing her up and about to go. Very highly recommend this 1320 dual resonated front pipe. That's basically the same as the HKS dual resonated front pipe, except I got it for 150 instead of like 350, so I saved a good amount of money. Very highly recommend it. Makes the car sound so loud when you step on it, much deeper, like beautiful Subi rumble. So I'll leave you guys there. Next part I'm going to be installing is probably wheels. We'll see. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one.